Now we have to see specific resistance, that is its symbol is kappa, that is K. This we have to see. Previously we know this specific resistance. This specific resistance is the resistance of 1 cubic meter material is called as specific resistance. Means if we have a cube as electrode and if this cube has a length of 1 meter and its area of cross section 1 meter square, then its resistance of such a 1 cubic material is called as a specific resistance, and this specific resistance is nothing but a rho. That's why rho equals to resistance into area upon length. Unit of resistance ohm, area meter square, length meter. That's why what is the unit of this specific resistance? Unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Now see specific resistance, specific conductance. This specific conductance is kappa. What is it? Specific conductance, that is kappa. This specific conductance kappa is nothing but the reciprocal of this specific resistance. Means you know conductance and resistance are inversely proportional. In such a way, these specific conductance and specific resistance are also inversely proportional. Now again, what is the definition of this specific conductance? Again, if the conductor is of a length 1 meter and its area 1 meter square, then in this conductor, if the solution is filled, then the volume of this electrolyte which is filled in this 1 cubic material is 1 meter cube. Then the specific conductance can be defined as it is the conductance of 1 cubic centimeter solution or 1 meter cubic solution. Such a conductance of a solution is called as specific conductance. Now see the unit of specific conductance. You know what is rho? Rho is nothing but 1 upon R means A into L. That's why 1 upon R into L by A. Again 1 upon R means it is nothing but conductance, C into L by A. Again unit of conductance, you know conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. That's why ohm inverse, and it becomes L means meter, area means meter square. That's why what is the unit? Unit of kappa is nothing but ohm inverse meter inverse, or we can say it as a Siemens meter inverse, or we can say it as a ohm inverse centimeter inverse. No doubt this is CGS unit and these are MKS unit. Now next point is the third term, or next term is the equivalent conductance. Now see equivalent conductance. This equivalent conductance is denoted by letter lambda V. Lambda V stands for equivalent conductance. Now see equivalent conductance. This equivalent conductance, that is lambda V. Here suffix V is used. Now this equivalent conductance can be defined as it is the conductance of solution containing 1 kg equivalent of electrolyte placed between two parallel electrodes 1 meter apart. Means two parallel electrodes 1 meter apart, and the solution filled is the 1 kg equivalent of an electrolyte. Solution is kept there. Then the conductance of such a solution means the equivalent conductance can be defined as the conductance of solution containing 1 kg equivalent of an electrolyte placed between two parallel plates of electrode which are 1 meter apart, and it is denoted by letter lambda V, and mathematically lambda V is equals to kappa into V. You know what is the unit of kappa? Previously we see kappa is nothing but ohm inverse, that is ohm inverse meter inverse, or unit of kappa is ohm inverse meter inverse, or Siemens inverse meter inverse, or ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Now if its unit is this one, now multiply in order to calculate the unit of lambda V, unit of lambda V, unit of this multiplied by V means volume, that is volume means meter cube, that's why the unit becomes ohm inverse meter square equivalent, means per equivalent. Getting it? This is the unit of lambda V. Now next term is molar conductance. Molar conductance, that is mu V. This mu V is the conductance or molar conductance, or is the conductance of a solution containing 1 mole of an electrolyte placed between the two parallel plates of the electrodes which are 1 meter apart, and it is denoted by letter mu V, and again mu V is equals to kappa into V. Again the unit from this ohm inverse meter square, per equivalent ऐवजी काय येईल mole inverse, instead of per equivalent it becomes mole inverse. What is the unit of this mu V? Unit of mu V is ohm inverse meter square per mole, or mole inverse. Now this equivalent conductance lambda V also denoted or also represented as lambda V is equals to 1000 K upon V. Here 1000 K upon N. Here this N comes because in general if an electrolyte solution contains N gram equivalent for 1000 cubic centimeter of a solution, that's why lambda V equals to K into 1000 upon N. In this way these are different terms, means today we come to know about specific conductance, specific resistance, molar conductance and equivalent conductance.